Let's review how to organize your conversations with tags and views. Tags are labels that describe what a conversation is about. A tag may indicate the category or type of inquiry, the priority level of the conversation, or provide context about the type of customer. Some examples of tags might be feature request, password reset, urgent, or VIP client. Once a conversation is tagged, your team can easily understand what type of conversation it is and how to prioritize it. To tag a conversation, click the plus icon at the top or use the keyboard shortcut T and select Tags from the menu. Then, apply the tags that make sense. You can add multiple tags at once, so you're not limited to only one type of categorization. If you need to create a new tag, you can do so from the same menu. You may choose to highlight a tag by assigning it a color or emoji, or make it visible in the conversation list. These are both helpful visual indications to your team that a tag may be particularly important. Tags are also important because you can track them in analytics, giving your team additional insight and data about the types of conversations in your inboxes. Once tags have been applied to conversations, views will allow you to create a tailored work queue in your sidebar, making it easy to track and manage categorized messages. Click into the View section of your sidebar and create a new, private, or team view that will show a particular collection of conversations, depending on the parameters you select here. This gives you easy access to this group of conversations. Tags and views work together to ensure you are able to categorize, organize, and manage conversations efficiently in front without losing team visibility.